Hi, I want to share with you powerful truths on how to attract wealth and abundance and success into your life. And this is something that I think so many people get wrong. So let's go ahead and have a discussion here about this. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if you'd like to learn that, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And so success, wealth, abundance, how to attract these things into your life. This is something that I think a lot of people get wrong. I think a lot of people mess up on this and don't do it right. I know I messed up on this. When I first got interested in building an online business, it was about 10 years ago, and I completely had the wrong expectations and mindset going into this thing. I saw other people who were building successful businesses online, and I was like, oh, I can do that too. That sounds cool. What I didn't realize is that how much work and effort would go into it, and that it wouldn't be necessarily, this quick and easy thing that I was imagining it would be. So I'd like to talk about this here in this video and how that's changing for me, and how people get this wrong, and how you can change that for yourself as well if you're struggling to get traction in building an online business or attracting wealth and success into your life in any other form. It could be not necessarily on an online business. It could be in your career. It could be in your love life. It could be whatever it is. A lot of the same principles apply. So let's talk about that first, those general principles. And this is where I think so many people get it wrong. So many people get it wrong because they think that, if you visualize what you want, if you just, meditate and do affirmations and do all this, woo-woo stuff, that the universe, you're going to send your thoughts out into the universe, and then the universe is going to reward you with success, with abundance, with wealth, with whatever it is that you're visualizing. And I just don't believe in that. I don't agree with that. I don't think that's how things work. So kind of this whole idea of the universe, the law of attraction, the universe responding to your thoughts. I don't agree with this. I don't believe that the universe responds to your thoughts. The universe is not, it doesn't have feelings. It doesn't have a personality. The universe is, we just live inside the universe. That's my belief. And so no, I don't think that the universe responds to you. But what I do think is that your mind is extremely powerful. Your mind, it changes your actions, and then your actions change your results. Change your mind, change your thoughts. You can change your life, not because the universe is going to respond and give you something in response, to thinking positive thoughts, but because when you program your mind in a certain way, then your actions start to change, and then those actions start to attract wealth and abundance into your life. Just from the law of natural consequences. So here's where I'm going with this, is that there's a lot of people who will tell you that you can become successful and wealthy without doing anything if you just change your thoughts. But you're missing a big part of the equation with that. It's when you change your thoughts, your actions then start to change, and then from those actions, then you create wealth in your life. But if you're just believing and hoping and thinking that just by doing meditations and affirmations and visualizations that the wealth will come into your life without having to do anything, then you're missing a big part of the equation. The other part of the equation is that you have to actually work for it. You actually have to do something. You have to put value out into the marketplace in order to attract that into your life. And so that's the next concept I want to talk about here, is the idea of attracting wealth. I used to be in the network marketing industry, and in that industry there's this idea of attraction marketing. And attraction marketing is about, instead of going out and chasing friends and family and pestering people to join your opportunity, that you would start, putting content out. And then that content, you'd use that to attract people into your atmosphere, who would then, come find you and want to join with you in what you're doing. And so here's the thing with attraction marketing that a lot of people don't get, is that you actually have to become somebody who's attractive to other people. Not in the sense of attractive like you're physically attracted, but you have an attractive character. You have a character and values and beliefs and a mindset and actions that attract people to you. And how you do that is by putting out content, not just for the sake of putting out content. You can't just, if you just put out content for the sake of putting out content, blog posts for the sake of putting out blog posts, videos for the sake of putting out videos, social media posts just for the sake of putting out social media posts, it's not going to work. In order for this to work, when you're creating the content, you have to create the content in a way that's designed to bring value into the lives of the people who consume that content. And it's such an easy concept, it's such a simple concept, but I think so many people miss this up. You just start putting out content thinking that just by the fact of putting out content that you're attracting people into your life. But if the content isn't designed in such a way as to attract those people, as to give value, as to catch their interest, if it's not designed in that way, then it's not going to work. This is why you have to learn marketing. You have to learn persuasion. You have to learn sales. You have to learn how to be a persuasive person. You have to learn how to give value to the marketplace. And you have to learn how to create the content in a way that it really appeals to the emotions. So this now brings me to the last point that I want to make, last topic I want to talk about when it comes to attracting wealth and success into your life, is that I've noticed that all the people who have been able to successfully create online businesses, whether it's with network marketing or affiliate marketing or whatever it is, those people who have been successful, they've all done it through content. They've done it through creating content. We're all pretty much, content consumers. We spend time, watching TV or just scrolling through Facebook or watching videos on YouTube or whatever it is. We're consuming content. But the successful people have been able to make the shift from being consumers to being content producers. All the successful people, they've done this. Whether it's with blogging or with podcasting or with YouTube or even just, social media, putting out content on social media, all these successful people who've built businesses online have all become content creators rather than just content consumers. That's why I've made the shift in my own life to become a content creator rather than just a content consumer. I've started this 120-day challenge here on YouTube to create a video on YouTube every single day. And these videos, I'm making them to bring value into your life as you're watching these videos. I'm making them to be inspirational, educational, to hopefully, give you something that you can use to change your own life. And I'm doing this because I believe in the power of YouTube. I believe in the power of content marketing, content creation. And that when you become a content creator, you can attract that success and wealth into your life. When you put content out into the marketplace and people find that content and people enjoy the content and they find value in it, and then they want to learn more from you, and then they go down into your sales funnel, and then you continue to build value by following up through email marketing, and you build a relationship with that person, to where now they feel like they know, like, and trust you, that can change your life. Now you can build an audience of people who will buy from you, and not just buy from you once, but they'll buy from you over and over and over again because they trust you. So if you want to learn how to do this, if you want to learn how to become a content creator, and if you want to learn how to build an audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing, there's going to be a link down below this video where it'll be my top recommendation on how to build passive income and become a super affiliate. So check out that link. And again, if you like this kind of content, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video.